Most people assume that starting a business in the UAE costs fortune. They Google it, they get a quote for 40,000, sometimes 50,000, and sometimes even more than that. And they panic and they go back to their day job. But here's what the quote didn't account for. You might have been looking at a business that requires a serious upfront investment. In 2025, UAE saw over 250,000 new company registrations. That brings the total to over 1.4 million active businesses across the country. And if you look at who's behind them, it's not big corporate companies, it's freelancers, it's consultants, creatives, and career switchers. People who figured out that UAE is one of the most accessible places to start something real from scratch. And a significant chunk of those businesses were skill based and service based, so low overhead, and they were launched under 15,000 dirhams and some even less. I'm a business setup consultant based in the UAE for over 5 years now. I have helped hundreds of people navigate exactly this. And today, I'm breaking down 5 low investment businesses you can start in the UAE today. The exact license requirements, the real cost, and the one thing that separate businesses that grow from the businesses that quietly disappear. Before the list, one simple framework that will make the rest of the video make sense for you. In the UAE, there are 3 major categories of licenses or businesses: manufacturing, trading, and services. Manufacturing is usually the most expensive. You need a physical facility, an industry, production equipment, lots of labor, and licensing. And this is not where most people start. Trading is usually the middle ground. You buy and sell goods. You need a trading license for this. You also need a supplier relationship and probably a warehouse at some point. The investment is real here. Now, let's go to services. That is where the lowest investments live. Your product is your skill. No inventory, no storage, no warehouse, just expertise and a license to offer it. 4 of the 5 businesses that I'm about to tell you today are services. Just one is trading, and the reason that it works is because it's at a low investment, no requirement of warehousing, no upfront stock purchase, and just connecting buyers with suppliers. It doesn't require you to hold an inventory, and we'll talk about it later. This distinction really matters. Keep it in the mind as we go through the list. Now, you can start your license in the UAE for as low as 6,000 dirhams. Yes, that's a real number, not just a marketing figure. But I want to be upfront about something before we get into the specifics. This cost is for a zero visa license, which means that you only get a license and not a residency visa of the UAE. If you need a UAE resident visa as a part of your setup, your cost definitely goes up. Depending on the free zone and the package and your chosen activities, adding a visa can push your total to around 15,000 dirhams or more, just for the license and visa combined. And across some zones with specific activity types, it can reach up to 30,000 dirhams. So, who this video is for? If you're already in the UAE and you have a residency visa through an employer or a spouse or even a previous setup, these 5 businesses are genuinely achievable in 15,000 to 20,000 dirhams range. If you're coming from outside the UAE and you need a visa as well, the business models are exactly the same. The budget just needs to account for that additional cost. And if you want a specific number for your situation, your activity, your visa requirements, and your free zone options, the link to contact me is in the description down below. You can reach out and I will send you a proposal specified to your requirements. So without wasting any time, let's get to business idea number 1, which is social media agency or digital services. This is the one. This includes social media management, content creation, video editing, and running paid ads for other businesses. Here is why the opportunity is real. There are over 600,000 SMEs registered in the UAE, and the UAE also has one of the highest social media usages in the world. The gap between how present businesses need to be and how present businesses are on social media is actually your market. If you have skills in content creation, graphic designing, video editing, or paid advertising, you can serve this market really well. For the licensing requirements, whether you're operating solo or you're building a full agency, you're looking at 12,000 dirhams to 18,000 dirhams depending on the free zone that you choose. With that license, you can operate as a proper agency, take on subcontractors, invoice officially and legally, and sign corporate contracts. The total startup cost beyond the license includes your subscriptions or tools like Canva, which is around 180 dirhams, and even less if you go for an annual subscription. Scheduling platforms are usually free options because they are capable enough to start. CapCut or iMovie can be your tool of video editing, and those are free. So your tools almost cost nothing on top of the license. So all in, you're looking at around 13,000 dirhams to 19,000 dirhams to launch this properly. Now, the thing that most people miss when they're starting out their social media agency in the UAE, it is niche. I do social media is very generic and it's not a business pitch in 2026. I help Dubai based restaurants get consistent bookings online through content is the business. The more specific you get about who you serve and the outcome that you deliver, the easier it is to find high paying clients for you. You can charge more and you can grow through reference. Business idea number 2 is going to be bookkeeping and accounting support for other businesses. And this one has become a lot more relevant recently. UAE introduced corporate tax in June 2023, 9% tax on business profits over 375,000 dirhams. VAT has been in place since 2018 at 5%, which means every registered business in the UAE now has compliance requirements and obligations that simply did not exist a few years ago. Over 300,000 businesses are registered for VAT in the UAE, and almost all companies are required to register corporate tax. Most of these companies are very small and they cannot afford a full time accountant. And most of them need help managing their books, preparing VAT returns and invoices, and staying on the right side of Federal Tax Authority. Now, that is a consistent, well paying, and a growing market. The licensing requirements to offer full accounting and bookkeeping services to your clients professionally, you need a dedicated accounting and bookkeeping license. That comes in around 13,000 dirhams without a visa and around 19,000 dirhams with one visa included in it. So your license plus your accounting software like Zoho Books or QuickBooks, you can budget around 18,000 dirhams to 20,000 dirhams to properly set this up. The thing most people miss here is certification signals. You do not need a formal certification or an accounting degree to offer bookkeeping and accounting as a service as a licensed business owner in the UAE. But a QuickBooks or a Zoho Books certification costs almost nothing and it just takes a few hours to complete. If you get it before your first client meeting, it will change how people perceive you immediately. Business idea number 3 is photography and videography services. And this one has a built in advantage that people usually overlook. It can include corporate content, product photography, real estate, and covering events. Here's the context that makes this market make sense. Dubai's real estate sector recorded over 760 billion dirhams in transactions in 2024. Yes. Every single listing needs photos. Every new development needs marketing visuals. And every corporate event in the UAE needs documentation. The demand is not seasonal here. Real estate shoots happen year round. Corporate content briefs do not stop. And this connects directly to what we talked about earlier. Every business investing in social media constantly needs a supply of visual content. Photography and social media management are neutral partners. A lot of photographers in Dubai end up feeding directly into the social media agencies or becoming one. For the licensing part, you would need photography services license. It is available across multiple free zones without any requirement of special regulatory approval or any external approval. You can expect around 13,000 dirhams for a license without visa and 19,000 dirhams for a license with a visa included in it. Now, this is the one business on this list that has two different parts of startup cost: the license and your equipment. A capable camera body, a lens or two, and basic lighting can cost you around 8,000 dirhams to 15,000 dirhams depending on what you invest in. Now, if you already have the equipment, your barrier drops significantly. Keep this in mind if you're starting from scratch and you do not have any equipment. The thing people usually miss when starting out their photography or videography business is specialization. I'm a photographer in Dubai. It is a very crowded statement. I shoot real estate rental properties in Marina or Jumeirah is what gets you booked. Pick one or two niches: real estate, food and beverages, corporate headshots, or even events. And you become the obvious person for that type of client. This is how referrals happen. Business idea number 4 is virtual assistant or admin support. This is the most underrated on this list. Business owners in the UAE are constantly overwhelmed. Calendar management, content management, research, customer service, content scheduling, employee management, payroll, and general scheduling. There's so much they have to handle. There's a real growing and well paying market for people who are organized, reliable, and that can hold this load remotely. This is the lowest total investment on this list. A zero visa license will cost you around 6,000 dirhams, and a license with a visa will cost you around 15,000 dirhams. And all you need is an internet connection, your phone, or your laptop. That's about it. The income ceiling here surprises people. A skilled virtual assistant working across multiple clients can earn anywhere from 8,000 dirhams to 15,000 dirhams per month. A virtual assistant agency model placing and managing support staff for corporate clients can go significantly higher. Now, this is the thing most people miss: positioning. Virtual assistant compete on pricing. Executive support specialist for UAE based founder led businesses is the premium offering. Same skill set, but completely different client, completely different rate, and longevity. Business idea number 5 is e commerce and dropshipping. This is the most obvious one, but this is the one that surprises people the most as well. Dropshipping is selling your products online without holding the inventory. In the UAE, the two platforms that matter the most when it comes to online shopping or online selling is Noon and Amazon. Now, the question you might be thinking, and I mostly get, is that isn't this market too competitive? Here is where the UAE is genuinely different. The UAE's e-commerce market is growing at around 20% annually. And most existing sellers on Noon and Amazon right now are just copy and pasting listings. No Arabic, no cultural localization, no reliable fulfillment promise. The gap between what customers want and what is currently being offered is wider than most people actually realize. To do this legally, all you need is an e commerce license. The best low investment option is going for a Northern Emirate license. These are built specifically for small businesses and solo operators. Licenses start at around 6,000 dirhams per year without any requirement of office or physical space. If you need a visa alongside, you are looking at around 15,000 dirhams. Realistic total budget to launch this properly is going to be the license, seller account registration, initial product sample. You're looking at around 17,000 dirhams to 20,000 dirhams easily. This is the trading business on the list that I told you about earlier in this video. It naturally costs a bit more than the service businesses mentioned earlier because there are real products involved and obviously logistics get involved as well. The thing most people miss in this business opportunity is supplier relationships. Drop shipping fails when you're chasing trending products with no margin and no relationship behind the supply chain. It works when you identify a product category that you can own in this market. Build a genuine relationship with the supplier and show up consistently. There are many products unavailable in the current market, so do your research the correct way before you spend a single dirham on the license. Here is the real takeaway from all 5 of these business ideas. Low investment does not mean low quality, and it does not mean low return. Every single one of these businesses has the real 6-figure potential in the market. The difference between people who build it and the people who abandoned it after 3 months is just one simple thing: specificity. Generic fails, but niche wins every single time. And one more thing that is worth mentioning here is that UAE is not impossibly expensive market that these scary quotes make it look like. For people who are already on residence visas with the right structure and the right business activities and right model, of course, you can be licensed and operating for under 15 to 16,000 dirhams. For people who need a residency visa alongside this, you're looking at around 23,000 dirhams. And this is real and achievable. And it is significantly less than what people assume before they even start researching. So, which one of these 5 business ideas you are actually going to explore? Drop it in the comments, and if you're past that exploring stage, and if you really want to know exactly what your setup will cost based on your requirements, your specific activity, your visa situation, and your budget, the link to contact me is in the description. You can reach out and I will put together a quotation and a proposal that will suit your requirements. Next in this series are the business ideas that have made people seriously wealthy in the UAE. Different investment level, different scale, and different game completely. That video is up next. Subscribe if you want to see the full blueprint of this UAE business series, and I will see you in the next one.